Hi everybody, my name is Mary Beth and I am a client of Naomi's, and I have been a client of hers for, goodness, so long, like 3 years. So my journey is just that I have gone through a secondary infertility journey in my 40s, and I started working with Naomi probably 3 years ago when I was going through my third egg retrieval. My first 2 egg retrievals didn't work, and then I realized we needed to do something different and I needed a better team. And so Naomi helped me through our last egg retrievals, so many transfers, too many miscarriages to count that basically felt like they were going to break me. And now she has helped me. I'm 9 months pregnant. She has helped me through what has been a high-risk pregnancy, a boring high-risk pregnancy, but high risk nonetheless because of my age and also my history from my first child. So it's really hard to quantify how much Naomi has helped me and supported me through all of these ups and downs. If I could say anything about IVF and pregnancy after loss, is that there is just like so much grief and so much anxiety. And one thing that has been so hard through failed egg retrievals, failed transfers, miscarriages, now being pregnant, has been, how do I calm the intense fears and anxiety that are so loud in my brain, in order to truly deeply listen to my intuition and make decisions? Because as anybody knows, going through IVF or pregnancy or anything else, there's constantly decisions that need to be made, and decisions that feel really weighted and big. And Naomi has been there through every single step of the way. Just like her offerings are not just basic talk therapy, mental health. It is a whole body approach that I utilize every single day, that I've utilized in clinics while I'm waiting for procedures, and now that I'm pregnant, doing the embrace, the baby to bump, I use every single day, even as I'm preparing to go into labor. Things that soothe my anxiety, calm my body, help me tap into intuition. And not only that, it's not just like a cookie cutter program. It is like she tailors this to you. Every meditation I listen to is like tailored to what my needs are. And she makes meditations on the fly. She sends them to you. She does all these things that are tailored specifically to what my needs are and what is happening in my own brain, in my own body, in my circumstances. She just sees you acutely and intimately and knows you and who you are, and then tailors every single thing she does to you. And so there's this amazing talk therapy, there's EFT, there's AMDR, and there's skills and activities, and none of it feels like a waste. It all feels like it has brought me exactly to the point I need to be, and there's always something in my mind of like what I can do to help myself and help my body through really anything. And her one-to-one support is just like incredibly invaluable. I'm somebody who I've struggled to lean on her support as much as I should, and she's constantly encouraging me and helping me to heal that part of me that thinks I shouldn't reach out for help, by her just being available. So I will send her messages about what's going on, and she'll just write back and tell me what I should do and how to help myself. She'll validate what's happening for me. The emotional support is seriously just like unlike anything I've ever had before. And I've done therapy before, and her programs are just like, I'm speechless. It's hard to describe. So anyways, and Naomi is funny and fun, and she's been in a place of where you've been in terms of like no understanding IVF and surgeries and losses, and so she not only gets it professionally, but she gets it personally as well. So anyways, I wouldn't have been able to get through this time of IVF and grief of loss and a high-risk pregnancy without her. I just feel like she has made the experience and one that is empowering for me and healing for me on multiple levels. And so I guess I could have made it through, but it would have been a lot harder and a lot more painful with less healing and less empowerment. So I'm grateful to her, and I hope you will be too.